This is my breakfast. With coffee. A cup of coffee. Huwag nyo na lang pansinin yung kaguluhan ng table ko, guys, ha. Yan. Pero hindi ko man ito maubos, guys. Ang dami nito. Sarap. Umuusok pa, oh. Ikot-ikutin natin ang pansit. At isubo. Thank you, Lord. Sarap. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. I love you all.